It's a very, very interesting election today in phase 4 for India's youngest state of Telangana. I want to start it off by telling you what the 2019 results looked like in the state of Telangana. 17 seats in the Lok Sabha. This is what it looked like. 9 seats went to the then incumbent BRS, which also ran the assembly and the government. The Congress won 3. The AIMM won the 1 seat, that's Hyderabad, the Asaduddin Owaisi seat. The BJP surprised by a big footprint of at least 4 seats. That's something that it wants to expand in a big way this time. Can it do it, or will Revant Raj, the Congress's domination of the assembly election last year, prove to be a total spoiler for everyone else's plans? Now remember that Telangana's Takkar has now entered its finale. It's a single phase of voting today in all 17 seats. It's the first election in the post-KCR era. Voters today lock the fates of candidates in all 17 Lok Sabha seats of the state of Telangana. Constituencies like Karimnagar, Hyderabad and Sikandrabad witnessing a high-octane, intense fight with high-profile netas. Key candidates include Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy, who is the incumbent MP in Sikandrabad, AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi in these pictures, casting his vote in Hyderabad. BJP's Madhavi Lata is his rival contender. And then there is, of course, Bandi Sanjay and the BRS's Vinod Kumar Boinapalli are all in the fray. Images of superstars all out there to cast their vote. Chiranjeevi, Allu Arjun, his nephew, and Junior NTR have also cast their votes so far. And there will be more as the day wears on, including Ram Charan and others. Telangana, traditionally a Congress stronghold, has also seen diverse political landscapes. It was a UPA, a Congress-run UPA government that had given birth to Telangana, but it is KCR's TRS, BRS that has run the state until its humiliating defeat at the hands of the Congress last year. Stakes are high for all the parties in Telangana for the 2024 battle. Listen in to some of the big voices coming in since early this morning.
It is a responsibility of every citizen that they need to go out to vote, because the vote brings 2 changes. One, a new change and development towards themselves and their families. And the other one is, it gives an opportunity to change the lives of downtrodden, the lives of Dalits, the lives of poor, and the lives of those every old-aged individuals or people who have been abandoned. So the vote is the most, I would say, precious social work, along with a selfish desire to move on towards the development.
What's your response to people who say there's no alternative to Modi?
No. See, that is what I'm saying. This country had given opportunity to Pandit Nehru. After Nehru, the country progressed. Then you had Lal Bahadur Shastri. Then you had Indira Gandhi. Country said who? The country progressed. So this country is bigger than all the politicians. Politicians will come and serve this country. They will leave this world. But this country will remain, and will have to, when it remains, it has to remain as a strong country. So if anyone is saying that X individual, Modi is the country. No, Modi is not the country. Indira Gandhi was not the country. Nehru was not the country. This country had given them the opportunity to serve the people of India. That in itself is a huge honor. So it is wrong to claim, Owaisi is bigger than this or X. No, we are not. We are all servants of this country, servants of the people. We are serving to ensure that democracy gets strengthened more.
आज तेलंगाना जनता भी नरेंद्र मोदी जी को प्रधानमंत्री देखना चाहते हैं फिर एक बार। इसीलिए देश के जनता के साथ साथ तेलंगाना जनता भी नरेंद्र मोदी के पक्ष में है। और दूसरा, जो टीआरएस पार्टी एक परिवारवाद पार्टी था, भ्रष्टाचार पार्टी था और अहंकार पार्टी था और परिवार के नाम पर पूरा तेलंगाना को लूटा था, इसलिए तेलंगाना जनता बीआरएस को हराया। राहुल गांधी प्रधानमंत्री बनते का लोग हंसेंगे, राहुल गांधी का नाम निकाले तो लोग हंसेंगे, इसलिए ये स्थिति है। खासकर नौजवान हंसने वाला है राहुल गांधी का नाम ले तो। राहुल गांधी हमारा प्रधानमंत्री है बोले तो हंसेगा, इसलिए कांग्रेस पार्टी डर के प्रधानमंत्री का नाम भी घोषित नहीं कर रहे। जो एमआईएम पार्टी रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं वो कभी भी विकास का काम नहीं करते। मेरा लीडर है नरेंद्र मोदी जी, इस चुनाव में मैं लीडर का ही नाम लेकर मैं वोट मांगता हूँ.
Everybody has to use the right of their vote. I think it's a good message which we need to pass on to the coming generations. Everybody has to use the right of their vote. I think it's a good message which we need to pass on to the coming generations.
Please cast your vote. It's a very responsible day for us, as all of us, for the citizens of this country. I know it's quite hot, but let's put that little effort, because today is the most crucial day for the next future, for the next 5 years of our life. Please cast your vote.
So I would like to say, every time I've been telling, and this time also, the new emerging waters are coming up. So I do request them, make use of your power of vote. People like us, we are requesting and appealing, please do come and make use of your vote power.
Let's go straight across to India today. It's Nabila Jamal, who's outside the polling booth where Asaduddin Owaisi and family have just cast their vote. Nabila, we heard that conversation that you had with the Owaisi as well. Many of the usual things that he says about the BJP, but this is an interesting election. We've never seen the Hyderabad seat become such a high-profile fight. This time, adding color to it has been a very vocal, sort of camera-friendly contender from the BJP's side. A 4-term MP, very, very entrenched, extremely locally popular and influential. Is he in any trouble at all, or is this just for the cameras?
Shiv, he's seeking for a 5th term. His father has contested here for 6 terms. So like I said, his only competition is his father. So it seems like a legacy seat. And though this is, ironically, the Hyderabad seat is dubbed as a general category seat. But he's a minority face, and he's been, the family, Owaisi family itself has been dominant here for much over a decade, much over 5-6 decades. In fact, what we know is when we spoke about Madhvi Lata, I asked him if Madhvi Lata boasts of herself being the Hindutva face, what would you call yourself? He says, I'm the face of Indian nationalism. Speaking extensively about the BJP condemning the centre, he says the Agniveer scheme, particularly bringing it up, saying that the Agniveer scheme will be extended to the BSF, the CRPF, the SSP and the other forces as well, almost ruining the military prowess that India boasts of currently. So he was right at speaking of national security. His first aim was that when he spoke to the media itself. So Owaisi has certainly come here with a mission, though he has a small party with just 7 MLAs and about 25 corporators, dominant only in the Hyderabad region. He seems to be speaking national level. His issues have largely been to oppose the Uniform Civil Code, to ensure that the personal laws, be it the Muslim Sharia law, will prevail. And these are the promises that he's made to the people, Muslim community largely, and on basis of which he's seeking vote this time as well. Telangana largely has been a star-studded affair. And speaking of Madhvi Lata and Owaisi, it's certainly the best and the biggest face-off, the most spiciest, to be honest, because the BJP is very strategically chosen Madhvi Lata. And extensively, we are looking at actors here coming out in Telangana and casting their vote today. Though we saw a few stars campaigning in Andhra Pradesh, but all their vote is here in Jubilee Hills and Banjara Hills. So very interesting. Though there were a lot of film stars earlier on who were taking that plunge into politics, this time around it appears they're only showing tacit support, not coming out very openly to speak about their political allegiance, but in a way just showing support, staying away from it, staying away from actually diving into politics, saying that we are only going to support a party or support a friend rather, but not making too many comments. So diplomatically, many of the stars here have come out to support for their friends and partners and cast their vote today. So expect a lot of action as we go through the day here in Telangana.